Alright guys, so in this video we're going to discuss about the logical storage. So what we're going to do is first we're going to create a data vServer. So let's see, vServer, sure, what we have is like this is finished admin and node. Now we are going to create the data vServer. So let's create a vServer, data vServer, create hyphen vServer. We'll give the name as vs1. Then you have to specify the root volume. Then let's see vs1 root. Then you have to specify the aggregate. Let's use n01 underscore aggregate 1. Then you have to file and switch address as file. Then you have to put the root volume security style as I'm going to put it as Unix. So this should be done. Now we have created the data vServer as of now. Let's see. Okay, well, vServer show. So let's see. This is what we have created, a data vServer. This is the root volume for this data vServer. If you want to get like more details about this particular data vServer, you can do vServer show hyphen vServer this one. So it will show you all the details. Now the alert protocols are all the protocols. These are the alerts which are by default. If you want, you can change it whatever required by you. So now if you want, you can check the attributes of the root volume which we have created. Let's check it out. Volume show hyphen vServer vs1. Now I'm going to use the vs1 root. So you'll see the different attributes we have. We have set it to Unix, Unix permissions, and the junction path where it's mounted. So now we are going to create a flex wall. Okay, so let's create a flex wall volume. Create on this vServer. We're going to use the data vServer. One volume. Let's give volume name as volume 1. Then aggregate versus 1. Then hyphen junction path. Here is specify junction path. Alright, so yeah, created a volume named volume 1. Let's check it out, the details about this volume. vServer 1 hyphen volume, like which volume we have created. We have created it as volume 1. So these are the attributes of this volume. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to create one more flex wall, but now we will use GUI instead of CLI. Now what you can do is you have to go to the vServer. Then oh god, I think I need to log out and log in again because it's not showing. Alright, what we'll do is we'll just close this. Close it again. We'll log in again. Right. So sorry for that. Okay. Alright, I don't want to show this. Okay, remind me later. Come on. Okay. So now let's see. Alright. Now we're into the server here. Now we're going to create a flex volume in here. Flex volume, we have created volume 1 through using the CLI. Now we are creating it using the GUI. Let's name it volume 2, and you can choose the aggregate. We'll choose the different aggregate this time. Okay, can choose this one. Alright, then I want it to be thin coefficient, and total size I will be giving it to 400. 400 MB. That's it. Now you can create it. Once you have created the two flex walls now. One using CLI, one using GUI. So this is the volume 2 which you have created. Now we'll check out the namespaces. So we have the namespace for the volume 2 in here. You can unmount and mount it as well. Like just click on unmount if you want to unmount. So it's gone. Now if you want to mount, click on mount. Select the volume. Okay, I want to change the junction path as wall 2. Give it to the wall 2 and choose the junction path. Okay, I'm going to choose this junction path 1, and I'm going to mount it to volume 2. Volume 1, sorry, my mistake. So yeah, you have it. So now what we're going to do in this session is we're going to configure the flex cache for this volume 2. So let's use the CLI to configure the flex cache on this volume 2. So volume flex cache, create server, it's OVS1, and the original volume is volume 2. So this is creating the flex cache for the volume. It will take some time to create it. Just logging into another node as well, just in case you need it. Okay, alright, so it's done. We have created a flex cache for this volume. Now you can check out the attributes as well, like volume show -1. It's on BS1, then volume, volume 2. We're going to check everything, so just use the star attribute, and here you go. You see all the attributes related to this particular volume. Now what we're going to do is let's create an infinite volume. We are going to create an infinite volume now, and this will be the last for this video. Server, create server, let's see, hyphen root volume. We are going to give it name as listen root. Aggregate, we are going to use the M02 aggregate, search as we are going to use this file, then root volume security style, we will keep it as Unix, language it's C, this repository, yeah, true. Alright, so now we are creating the infinite volume. So this is we have created a vServer to host that infinite volume, not a volume. So we have to use the advanced mode. Yeah, now you can create this volume of like 6 gigs. We'll create hyphen server. We're going to specify size in 6 gigs as I do not have much of space available. Then junction path, we are going to get a junction path and slash bed for this volume. State should be online, we want it online. Policies, set the policies to underscore space underscore spot underscore policy. Now aggregate list, we're going to use aggregates, two aggregates, aggregate 1 comma 102 underscore aggregate 1. That's it. So this is your creating a big volume, that is the infinite volume. It's creating obviously a mirror as well with that, as if this is an infinite volume. And that's it, we have created an infinite volume. So yeah, that's it. We can check it with one show. You can see all these volumes we have created, root volumes which we have created, and that's it. So I'm going to stop this video, and in next video we will go about the networking, like creating an I group, creating an VLAN, and etc. Thank you.